In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to empty trash in Yahoo Mail. We'll walk through the process on a desktop browser, keep it simple, and make sure nothing important gets removed by accident. First, open your browser and go to yahoo.com. This brings you to Yahoo's homepage, and from here you'll get access to your mail. If you aren't already signed in, look toward the top right corner for the sign in option. Click it and follow the prompts to log into your account. If you use additional verification, just complete that as usual. Make sure you're signing into the correct mailbox, especially if you manage more than one account. Once you're signed in, click the mail icon at the top right to open Yahoo Mail. If you land directly in your inbox, you're in the right place already. You'll see your folders along the left side of the screen, including Inbox, Sent, Drafts, and Trash. Next, click on the Trash folder. This is where messages go after you delete them from your inbox or other folders. Items in Trash are not visible in your inbox, and they may be removed automatically after a period of time, but if you want everything gone right now, this is where to do it. Take a quick moment to scan for anything you might want to keep. If you spot a message you need, you can move it back to the inbox before proceeding. To remove everything at once, use the Select All checkbox near the top left of the message list. Clicking this checkbox selects all visible messages in the trash. You may see a prompt that allows you to select all messages in the folder if there are more than what's currently displayed. If you do, use that option to make sure nothing is left behind. With everything selected, click Delete. Yahoo Mail may ask you to confirm that you want to permanently delete these messages. Confirm the action and the trash will be emptied. Keep in mind that permanent deletion can't be undone, so only continue if you're sure you don't need any of those messages. That's all there is to it. Go to yahoo.com, sign in, open Yahoo Mail, head to the trash folder, select all, and delete. For best results, consider emptying your trash regularly to free up space and keep your mailbox tidy. And if your interface looks slightly different, the folder may be labeled trash or bin, but the process is the same. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to empty trash in Yahoo Mail safely and efficiently.